Okay, this is my third video back here on the 38 Carver Santiago. We're going to go inside the boat now. The interior has been redone with new carpeting, as you can see. Cushions have been all redone, they're not the originals. Flat panel TV's been added. Granite countertops have been added. New faucet. New refrigerator, new stainless steel microwave. None of that's original. The stovetop actually is original. Ice maker there, little door area. Single stateroom with a double berth, flat screen TV. Accent lighting, large head with an electric flushing toilet and a really big stall shower, which is nice. This head does have private access from the stateroom I'm in right now, and then you can also access it from the main salon by this other door, which makes it really nice for guests and so forth, and also privacy when you desire some privacy. Big stall shower. This boat originally was equipped with two small air conditioners, and one of them's been taken out and one large high 20,000 BTU has been put in with an extra vent. So this one system will air condition or heat this entire boat. So there we go. That is the 1995 Carver 38 Santiago. The price was just reduced on the $39,900. The boat is very clean, runs good, pretty much turnkey, ready for somebody to start enjoying. If you have any other questions, feel free to contact us and set up an appointment to come see it.